Hey everyone, so I just wanted to do a brief unboxing of KLOW. I ordered this from LEMD. I am affiliated with them, and the reason why I ordered it is because I am in menopause, surgically induced menopause, and also I have been on a weight loss journey for quite some time. Those of you who have been following me are aware of that. And I started with Ozempic off-label for weight loss. I did that for about a year, saw good results on that. And I switched to Zepbound for about 4 or 5 months. And then I was like, oh, this is getting too costly. And so then I switched to compounded tirzepatide through LEMD, or they call it GIP-GLP-1 plus B12. Okay, so this is KLOW. This is considered one of the longevity peptides. Technically, Ozempic, Mounjaro, Wegovy, Zepbound, those are peptides as well. But let me just share some information about KLOW real quick. So KLOW has 4 main peptides in it, TB-500, and that is supposed to support coordinated repair across the body, helps the recovery process occur more efficiently where the body needs it the most. BPC-157 and KPV supports gut integrity and digestive health by helping modulate inflammation and protect the gut lining. And the GHK-Cu, which is GHK-Copper, the Cu stands for copper, supports collagen production and skin renewal for firmer, clearer, and more youthful looking skin. I have a dietitian friend who takes the GHK copper peptide along with her GLP-1/GIP-1 peptide, and she's having really good results. Like, she is able to record videos now without using any makeup or doing any type of filters or anything like that. So I like that this product has all 4 in there. Now, it ain't cheap, I'll tell you that, but I like that the KLOW has all 4 things in here. The reason why I ordered it is because, like I said, I'm in menopause, but also the TB-500 and the BPC-157 has been shown to help with repair, like tissue repair, regeneration, and stuff like that, especially in people who have injuries. Like me, I have I have osteoarthritis in both of my knees, and I also have chondromalacia patella, which means that my cartilage is thin and brittle in some areas. And that's probably because my vitamin D was very low for some time. It's also called osteomalacia for other systems in your body, but chondromalacia patella is specific to the knees. And I think my vitamin D was low for years and I didn't know it. That was before I knew the value of labs and looking at them and watching vitamin D levels before I became a dietitian. So anyway, what I just said about is in KLOW, those aren't proven by research 100% per se. This is for educational purposes only. The 4 peptides in this KLOW may or may not do these things. I don't know. So don't say that I told you for sure, for real, that it's going to do these things. Anyway, without further ado, here is the unpackaging. All right, so, you know, most of LEMD's products come in this silver container. Ooh. Then it has this Ziploc part. Ooh. Okay, so this is the container that LEMD sends their peptides in. It's like a metal-like material, very well insulated. You can also use this as a water bottle if you want, but it really helps with traveling because I had to travel with my GLP-1 GIP medication, and I had no problem with putting this on the plane with me, like in my carry-on, no problem. There's a couple of freezer sticks in here that, as you will see, and I put that with the medication and flew cross country, no issues. There's also, here's the needles and the alcohol wipes and all that good stuff and gauze. Oh, they gave extra alcohol wipes. That's nice. and they come with instructions, so don't worry. All right. Refrigerator upon arrival. I feel like a kid on Christmas. Okay, so let's see, what does it look like? Oh, here's the med. We'll take that out in a moment, but you can see the little freezer sticks in there. If I can get one to come out. So there's 2 of them. You can use them for other things too. All right. So just sit this over here. And this is 3 months worth. My dose, my starting dose is, it says inject 20 units once daily in the evening for 5 days on and 2 days off. So 5 days a week, I'm going to inject 20 units once a day in the evening and take this for 8 weeks. Oh, I thought it was for 3 months. Excuse me. It's for 8 weeks or about 2 months, followed by a 2-week break before repeating the cycle. So that's important. So I'm going to take this for 8 weeks. So once every evening for 5 days, take 2 days off and keep doing that for about 8 weeks. And then I'm going to take a 2-week cycle break. You don't want to overdo it, right? And let's see. Let me just open this. So as you can see, here is what it looks like, right? It's probably backwards in the video. I'm not sure, maybe not. But here's my name. It comes from Clover X Pharmacy. And that is the pharmacy that LEMD partners with. So it won't have the LEMD branding on the product. It'll have the Clover X, the pharmacy. So which brings a point. Anytime that you order compounded medications, you should always see the name of the pharmacy on the product with their address. You can see the address up here and everything. You want to know where they're getting the medication from. So look, it looks blue. I didn't expect it to be blue, but that's pretty cool, right? So this is KLOW, and you can see that it says the BPC-157, TB-500, the BPC-157, TB-500, that's known as a Wolverine stack. I have written all about it on my blog. If you want to check that out, I'll link it below as well. And I have also written about the GHK-Cu or GHK-Copper and KPV as well on my blog. So I'll link all those articles below so that you can learn more about it. So here it is, and this is supposed to last for 8 weeks. Now, LEMD and Clover X, they probably wouldn't say this, but I noticed that with the GLP-1/GIP medications that I take through them, that the vial often has at least 1 or 2 extra doses in it, because I think they try to take that into account, because when you fill the needle, you have to squirt a little out, right, to make sure that it's working. Or sometimes accidents happen, you know, maybe we drop the needle, needle gets damaged, whatever, so you may need an extra dose. So I'm wondering if, because this looks like quite a bit, this looks like it probably has a few extra weeks in here. I'm gonna try to squeeze it out. This stuff is expensive, y'all, but I heard that it's worth it. So I'm gonna give it a try, and I'll let y'all know how it goes. If you want me to record every time I inject myself or record weekly progress, let me know below in the comments, okay? Let me know in the comments. So that's it. I don't want to take much more of your time. Also, if you want to know where to get this product, I have my affiliate link below with LEMD. I do get a small percentage of your purchase, but that's at no extra charge to you. So I hope you check it out. All right. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you later. Bye.